we need it for a boss for the affinities. For now,
Please choose
the only
what
thing I
skills to
need
inherit.
is to set up the auto.
It's finally time.
So this will get Muto boost once it fully levels.
This persona is powerful. This would be a wise choice. This would be a wise choice. This persona.
What does
yes?
power get? Power doesn't get Hama boost and stuff like that, so I mean, I understand, but it doesn't get any of that. I could go for the other third G or whatever. I think for that one I do need power. No?
Take all the time you need to consider.
But do I really care about getting a third G? I mean, eventually I'll have to care, but
Seeing what personas come to be is a great joy of mine.
Now I don't remember. Wait, it is power, no? Yeah, you do need power. I can technically make power to get the thing,
Seeing what
but I will
personas come
lose
to be
two
is a
good
great
fusions.
joy of mine.